joined us again. So now it's time.
I feel like people are gonna get really sick of us. So.
Nah.
You're like,
nah.
That is you temple again.
Yeah, it's them again.
People.
These people again.
There's another helicopter.
Helicopter going over tower. So they really like torturing me by having me go on this ride. It's not really torture. It's only like half torture because I kind of like it, but then I kind of don't. So.
We like it.
Yeah.
We're watching
We
you.
love it.
Exactly. They like laughing at me.
Filming you.
And it's Mike's first experience getting to watch me on it because we've never been on it together. So it's just going to be all sorts of fun.
Talk about Snatcher.
That is a serious snatching that just happened there. Oh my goodness. So we're walking up to Tower of Terror and the missus and I both spot the guy, cards in his hand, like waiting to scan them. And she rushes ahead. Neither one of us get a card. And then I hear, "Thank you!" from behind us, and look who has it now.
Hey, this is my first one on the trip. It is.
So we've all got all
one.
four of us have gotten a red card. Aww. Aww. It's too funny.
You're the
Too
last
funny.
kid picked.
So we're riding Tower of Terror since I didn't actually say that because in the red card mania. That was perfect timing.
Very scary.
Key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the twilight zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator. That door.
1939. The Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star, a beacon for the show business elite. Until 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. Now that door has opened once again. For you.
So it's our first time being here since everything's closed. Check that out. No more walking down that path.
Hollywood, what did you do to yourself?
Oh man. They're setting up for a dessert party.
We almost did that last
Busy.
Star Wars weekend.
Behind the scenes of both her Instagram and their vlog. You saw it here first.
Out of the day of my life.
Of every day.
Day of my life.
It's never this guy.
Wandering over to Star Tours now. We'll see. Yeah, right now. We'll see who will be the rebel spy.
It's gonna be that
Him?
guy.
That guy.
I think it might be Kylo Ren.
That would be confusing. That would be a confusing plot point. If
Very
Kylo Ren
confusing,
was
but
the
it's a
rebel spy.
possibility.
You never know. You never know. Here's my bay of the day.
Your bay of the day.
Right there.
It's not Walter.
Pew pew. It was working for a very short period of time. So the missus is chanting, "I am the rebel spy. I am the rebel spy." You gotta use some Jedi mind trick. I am the rebel spy.
You keep telling yourself that.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Actually, I am the rebel spy.
Oh. It's not gonna work.
We're not gonna make it.
We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. We made it.
second language to me.
You got like a head going on the shoulder.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled for I said there's no time to lose. Oh, you go. Tell me what. Ready to shower.
Are you the rebel spy?
Now, this
Are you the rebel spy?
I got 7. I qualify 3.
You support Kylo Ren. And you could be the rebel spy. This was still not the rebel spy. So I guess it's still on the dark side. But we got Boba Fett.
Work on my force skills.
I guess so. But we did get Boba Fett for the Mister, so. That was our last ride of the trip, right there. That was it. Last ride of the trip, that was it.
Oh no!
I know.
That's so sad.
And it's almost time to say goodbye to them. So I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye in the vlog so I can say goodbye in real life. So, bye for now.
We'll be back again someday.
Yeah, we'll figure it
Don't
out.
know when yet.
Yeah, who knows, someday in the future, but
Unlike this one already being planned after the last trip.
go watch the vlogs if you aren't already by now, all these months later. So we just said goodbye to the Mr. and Mrs. the Disney Couple Dose.
Do it again.
And now we're heading to the Sci-Fi Cafe, which I'm very excited for.
Follow your own rules.
Heading to the Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater. I have been here before, but Mike has never been, and it's been on my bucket list to bring him here. We're finally making it happen. Got our pager. It's almost time. Sci-Fi. That's where we're gonna be eating in one of those little cars. Oh, we're here. I love it so much. Smell the cars. We're driving the car. Actually, I think I am driving the car tonight.
Which one you would be on?
Here's our options. So excited. Mainly just because I love this theming of this restaurant.
Shall I wrap that for you, sir? Oh, that's all right. My sauce are just outside. To enjoy our intermission. Possibilities of space travel. There's much speculation on what we will discover when we visit other worlds. Will we find planets with only a low form of vegetable life? Or will there be mechanical robots controlled by super intelligent beings? One of the most fascinating fields of modern science deals with the possibility of life on other planets. This is our story.
Here we are, we're in our car. Duck lips in our car.
Oh wow, that's a flashlight.
It's my favorite.
How was it?
I love this restaurant.
This one's on the wheel. It's just very good for one healthy.
This isn't gonna look so great because my camera has no idea what to do with this lighting. Alright, we're leaving. Goodbye, Sci-Fi. So we just had dinner at the Sci-Fi Dine-In. We had an excellent server. He was wearing a name tag that said Max, but I think his actual name was Walid. Walid?
Valid, yeah.
Walid? He said he was from Greece, but he was awesome. So this vlog is gonna be way in the future. So I assume he'll still be there. So if you go, try to see if you can get with him because he was awesome. Great service, just awesome. And he took this awesome picture that I'll put right here. And he loved my camera. So thank you to quote Max for an awesome night at the Dine-In. It was so much fun and Fantasmic's happening. Or no, that's probably actually Illuminations finale. Yeah, I don't think that's Illuminations finale happening. So that was an awesome end to our day at Disney and our trip as far as the parks go. That was the last thing we did, and that ended our vacation on such a high note for sure. Loved it. So now it's back to Pop. One last goodbye to Hollywood Studios here with the neons going and Fantasmic in the background. Let's spin around for a second. All right. Goodbye for now, Hollywood Studios. So we're back at Pop. And look, this room has Christmas lights. Hope you can see. How cute. I like it. I like it. So it's our last night at Pop. And we've successfully, so far at least, made sure to be here without any frogs.
Ribbit.
So I'm very excited to have not had any frogs on our trip, much to Mike's dismay. He's trying to push me into a bush right now. I hate frogs, and I was so worried about staying here and having frogs everywhere. But we have survived. Okay, never mind. This is the best finale to our vacation right now. Look at this. We're watching Wishes. I think it's Wishes, but it's 9:45. I'm very confused. What is this? I guess Wishes was at 9:30 tonight? Wow. It's definitely Wishes. Okay, so I thought this was Wishes. So I'm like, what else? What other fireworks could be happening right now? It's not Wishes. It's the Star Wars fireworks. The first few fireworks that went up looked like Wishes fireworks, but then they started doing planetary things. I'm like, oh no, this is Star Wars. Oh, that one's awesome. Those are so cool. Changing colors.
Fireworks.
Oh yeah, the whole show. Whoa, that was awesome.
Oh, those are neat.
Those are so cool. I've never seen those before. Oh, whoa. Oh, this seems like finale.
You think?
Oh, I think this is finale. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was cool. Now that's how you end the night, is watching the fireworks from your floor at Pop. Look, you can see like the whole show from right over that building. So that's gonna be it for this day tomorrow we hit the road to Texas. So that's it for this trip to Disney, but I'll see you guys again soon. Bye. Bye. Look at this! It's a wand holder that I said I needed, but even better, after all this time, always. With owls! So cool! You good, babe. You did real good. Real good. Big fan. I think I'll keep you. Okay.